Hey, it's Jordan from BD Diesel Service Center here. We had a CP4 pump failure due to DEF being put in the fuel system. We ended up having to replace all the fuel lines, the rails, the injectors, the pump, the regulator, the metering valve, basically the entire fuel system. Removed the tank, cleaned it out, new sending unit to ensure that there was no more contaminants left in it. So the one that we just most recently did was in the $13,000 mark. Diesel lubricates the pump itself, putting contaminants in fuel such as dirt, DEF, water will all cause premature failure of the pump. Today we're talking particularly about DEF because it contains water and urea crystals in it, and once the water evaporates it becomes very corrosive and destroys the pump internally. Alright, here we got the CP4 pump all in pieces on the bench so we can examine the internal workings of it. This would be your camshaft lobe where the pump pistons would ride on. As you can see, there's quite the galling here. It's taken the hardness off of it, and that is most of the foreign material that was found in the fuel rails, which was metal. This piston has a roller in it, and it rolls up and down on this camshaft like this as it circles across, pushing the piston upwards. As you can see, this one has actually turned and worn on the cam itself and took the hardness off the roller, therefore seizing it, causing the pump to essentially seize and fail. Okay, so once this metal itself is worn off the piston plunger, it gets pumped throughout the fuel system in fine metal particles. Comes out this port into your fuel rails, and then since goes to the injectors, pumped through and scars the internals of those, causing failure, sticking, and basically engine shutdown. Just a little reminder to keep yourself from putting DEF in the tank. We do offer a Patriot plug which covers your fuel cap because all the new Dodge pickup trucks do not have a fuel cap with them. If you happen to find yourself putting DEF in your fuel system before you start the truck, the best thing to do is tow it into your local service center where they can pump the tank out, put fresh fuel in it, and lots of fuel conditioners such as the Lion Power, which we sell, and it will hopefully save your fuel injection system.